This brand is made in China and can be purchased through their Amazon store. The DDX235PEF model has a 35-pint daily capacity with a 2-speed fan and a carbon filter to better clean the air from odors. They have a pump to automatically remove the condensate even when you do not have a floor drain, but they use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The DDX250PEF model has a 50-pint capacity and the brand is backed by a good guarantee, but they are more expensive than other brands.